Hello, this is my CS122b Project2 demo, and yeah, let's get started. So this is a SSH terminal from my local development machine to the AWS instance, and as you can see, we're in the project folder, and there's nothing inside. So we're gonna go ahead with the first step, which is git cloning from our repository, and yeah. Okay, so now our repository should be in this directory. Yeah, and we're going to cd into it. And then, let's see, we want to first do our git log, show that the latest, uh, it's called error or commit, sorry, latest commit was not quite too long ago, but it's today. We're looking at that. And next, we're going to take a look at some MySQL queries. Okay, and that's our table counts. And next, we're going to take a look at our, make sure there's no sales records. And I realized that it's 28 because the server is somewhere else in the world. That really amazed me. Gave me a bit of trouble, not going to lie. And it's an empty set, okay. Now, after that, as you can see, we're in our repository directory, and we're going to look at packaging because we have the pom.xml here. So we're going to Maven package. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. Okay, it's done. And now we're going to take a look at our Tomcat directory. Make sure nothing's in there currently. And yes, there's nothing in there. And we're going to copy from our current directory the target file, the war file from there into the Tomcat file so we can deploy it onto the web. Now we're going to take one more look at the Tomcat directory, and the war file is now in there, as you can see. Okay. So that is it for the terminal aspect of this. Now, we don't want this. We want this. So we're going to go ahead and refresh. Oh, that's not what I wanted because sometimes the URL stays and it undeploys. So okay, so I have to copy it back in again because I just accidentally undeployed it. Okay. Okay, so now you can see it's here. We have our inspect element on the side with the network and XHR filtering. Right, so first, we're going to go here. We're going to try to change this. Let's try going index.html, doesn't work. Try checkout.html, also does not work. You must log in. Let's try a@email.com, but the wrong password, just a single character. It's going to go ahead and tell me incorrect password. Let me show you one more time with the XHR filtering. Incorrect password. Now, if we do A2, should be the right password, and we're in. And after that, we're going to look at the search settings. Search settings, this is my search setting menu. And we're going to search by title term and then star Tom. It should give us one result, which we're going to add to the cart as movie A. Now we're going to search a second movie with the year 2007 and the director is Vid M. Should give us one result as well. I'm gonna add this. Okay. Now, now we're actually gonna search up exact string match terminal. And the year 2004. This should give us a terminal. And we're just going to go ahead and add this to the cart. Okay. Now browsing and add to cart. So let's see. From main page, navigate to the browsing page. So this is technically my main page, and we're going to look at the browsing, and we're going to look at browse by title Z. So this should give us a list of results ordered by Z. Or let's start with Z, sorry. And then now we're gonna look again, and we actually want the symbols one, or the special character one. Yeah, there you are. Now we want to browse by genre, drama. So this gives us our results of genres, drama. Okay. Now I want to click on a different genre, family. Let's try. And then I'm gonna add a random movie from here. Old coaches. Okay. Now we're gonna search with title love. This is to test pagination. So these are results containing love. And we're gonna try with rating descending, so decreasing rating, and title ascending, so A to Z. Rating decreasing, title ascending. Yeah, that should be it. And we're going to do 100 per page. Okay. Now I have 100 results on this page. And if we look at the pagination buttons, these are disabled and do not work. Now, let's see, change the, wait. Now we're going to display with rating ascending and title descending. Okay. This should be lowest rating to highest with Z to A. Okay. Oh, sorry, I meant to do 25. Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing, but now it's broken up into 4. Okay, now we're gonna do rating ascending, title descending. Rating ascending, title descending. Ascending, right, rating ascending, title descending. Tiebreaker, 25 per page. Date, and we're gonna go to the 3rd page now. Click the first movie. Click the first movie, then the first star. Jump back. So I actually do not have jumping implemented correctly, so this will not work. Yeah, so jumping doesn't really work. So we're gonna move on to the shopping cart now. Shopping cart, see, we have 4 copies. 2 copies of the terminal and 2 other movies, as shown here. So it's 211, and we're gonna want to change the quantity of movie 1 to 1, movie B to 3, and then actually delete C. And we're proceeding to payment. Okay. Now, we want to get the credentials here. And we're gonna do the wrong credit information first. It should send us invalid credentials. But then now if we use the right one, it should show us purchase successful. And then now, if we go back here and do our query for MySQL again, yeah, there we are. We have 3 of the one movie, and this should be the terminal. Okay. And this is my sale confirmation page. I think that is it.